One of the atheists commented on my post, and he said that we deny the existence of God because there is no verifiable and unambiguous evidence for the existence of God. What is the meaning of the word verifiable? Verifiable is something which is either true, accurate, or can be justified. The most verifiable evidence for the existence of God is the universe itself, the origin of universe, and even humanity is the biggest evidence for the existence of one of the biggest evidence for the existence of God, because people believed in God since humanity. Now the atheists may claim that, but they do not believe in your God. But that is not the question. Whether they believed in my God or not, that's not the question. The question is the existence of God. Whether they believe God existed, or they do not believe that God existed. This is the question. People may differ in anything. People may differ in politics. People may differ in history. People may differ in science. But what they do not differ is in the existence of God. Another verifiable evidence can be given is the origin of universe. How can you explain the origin of universe without God? Yes, you can explain the scientific how the universe was originated, but who originated the universe and for what purpose the universe was originated, you cannot explain using science. It's like it's like saying that a car exists. I can explain you the mechanism of how the car works and how the car was made, but I cannot tell you who made the car, or nobody made the car. There is no evidence that this car was made by someone. And life itself is a verifiable evidence for the existence of God. How can life originate from something which is dead? I mean, how can you explain this? Life coming out of something which is dead. How can you explain this? Without God, how can you explain that you can get life from something which is dead? There is no answer to it. Science cannot answer this question. Science can answer you the process, but science cannot answer you how is this possible. How can uh, a living, a dead, produce something which is living? How? This is the question. How can, I mean, if someone gives you something dead, if someone gives you a dead body, can you make life out of it? You cannot do that. So there are hundreds and thousands of verifiable evidence, but the problem with the atheist is that they are in the denial mode. They don't want to accept the evidence. This is the fact actually. If they would have, it's like it's like a person who says there's I will donate my whole land to someone who proves that 2 plus 2 equals to 4. His wife asks, but anyone can prove 2 plus 2 equals to 4. But the man says, but I will not believe him. So this is the difference. Whatever the problem with the atheist is not that they haven't got enough evidence. The problem with the atheist is that whatever evidence you will give them, they will deny it. The problem is actually in their heart.